In this video, we will see how to get the current time in Python. Rel- The reliable way to retrieve the current date time is by using datetime module and calling datetime module's function UDCNow. Let's see an example. I will open a gedit on my Ubuntu Linux editor, and I need to import date time, and then need to call datetime.datetime.utcnow. I will just print it. Date time date time dot utcnow. I will save this as time sample current time dot py, and just need to run this. Minimize it, and on terminal, new terminal, I will use Python and current time.py. Here we have the current time. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching and keep supporting us.